I'm Hunter, and this is Alex, and this is the Rush Pack. Premium water bottles wrapped in a durable neoprene sleeve and designed to keep all of your fitness essentials and hydration in one place. It's happened to all of us before. It's dawn, you're up early to get your exercise in, shaking off that last bit of sleep, you grab your fitness essentials, fill up your water bottle, and head out into the morning. Keys, IDs, cash, cell phones, headphones, chapstick, and more. It turns out you need to keep track of quite a few things when exercising. You've done everything you can to get your day started right, but inevitably you end up forgetting something somewhere. You leave your gym ID at home, or your cell phone at the gym, or your car keys somewhere along that 4-mile trail run. And just like that, the perfect start to your day comes to a grinding halt. Naturally, athletic wear has almost no pockets, and it's not like you want all that stuff bouncing around while you get your sweat on anyways. So we had a simple idea. The one thing you absolutely need while exercising is water. What if you could have your water, keys, cards, phone, and more all in one place? We decided to create a convenient way to carry all your essentials as part of something you're carrying anyways. With a pocket for your phone, cards, IDs, keys, and more, the Rush Pack is the only thing you need to keep your belongings stored and secure through the toughest workouts and the wildest adventures. We've even included a small strip so you can add patches for some fun personalization. The included carabiner makes it easy to attach your bottle to your backpack, bike, chest strap, and more. Made out of surgical grade steel, our laser engraved vacuum insulated water bottle is guaranteed to keep your drinks cold for up to 24 hours or hot for up to 12. With an extra wide mouth and sizes up to half a gallon, our design makes sure you have all the hydration you need. The Rush Pack is made with industrial grade neoprene and double stitched for a product that lasts and handles whatever your workouts or adventures demand. With a straw lid for easy drinking and a carabiner for easy carrying, this is the only thing you'll need for your next workout or adventure. We have our final samples approved and ready for production. The only thing that's left is your help. Help us bring the Rush Pack to life by backing today and be one of the first to change the way you carry your essentials.